స్కూల్లో స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్ జరిగింది. నేను ఫాక్స్ అండ్ ద క్రేన్ స్టోరీ చెప్తాను, మీకు ఎలా ఉందో చూసేయండి.
My name is Bhavya. I am studying in UKG. I am telling about story. Fox and the Crane story. One day there was a fox and a crane. There was a good friend and living on the forest. One day fox invited fox invited to crane to feast. Crane got eat, fox eat all food. Crane felt insulted and decided to teach a lesson for a fox. And one day, Crane made tasty food for a fox to feast. In front of fox in the glass. Fox can't eat, Crane eat easily. Because of Crane have long beak. Thank you. Moral of the story